Hello friends, good evening and welcome to my channel SS Talks. Today we will discuss one exciting opportunity in Manappuram Finance Limited. But before moving for the video, two disclaimers from my side. If you are new to my channel, request you to please subscribe my channel to watch these kinds of videos which will improve our skills in investing and trading. Second disclaimer here, I am explaining how we can find out good opportunities in stock market. So before taking any decision, request you to please review yourself and then take a decision. Another point, for trading in stocks, you need to have a demat account. If you don't have a demat account, I have attached links in description box. One is of Zerodha and one is of Angel Broking. You can click on the link and open your demat account to start investing in stock market. So Manappuram Finance is NBFC, that is non-banking finance company. These companies cannot open saving accounts, but they can issue another products. Like we can see from the products, they are in gold loan. In fact, they are pioneers in the gold loan. They are in SME finance, vehicle loan, personal loan, micro home finance, then hospitality industrial loan, and teachers loan, etc. Subsidiary companies are Manappuram Home Finance, so they are also in home finance. So almost they are in all kinds of loans. And as we move ahead, this company will get a lot of business as economy of India will grow. Now we'll go to technicals. If we see a long-term technical chart of last 4 to 5 years, we can clearly see from the chart it is producing higher lows. This is low point. This low point is higher than this low point. This lower point is higher than this lower point, and it is called as higher lows. And whenever stock is producing higher lows, it has potential to go up. Another point, this stock recent high was 217 and it got corrected in last quarter around corrected up to 154, and now it seems that it is taken support at this point 156.65 and it is moved in upward direction. We can confirm this with moving averages. So if we saw, these are the one black line is 200 days moving average, this yellow line is 50 days moving average, and green line is 20 days moving average. So if we saw the longer chart, whenever this stock comes at 200 days moving average, it bounces back. So here it came, it bounced. In 2018 it came below 200 days and it bounced again. Here it came near to 200 moving average and it bounced back. Here it came below 200 days. This is due to corona pandemic and again bounced back. So whenever it comes near to 200 days, it bounce back. So at this moment now also, if we open daily chart, so we can clearly see that this is again near to 200 days moving average. It was below 200 days moving average and now it started move. So if we saw 20 days moving average, it was below 20 days moving averages, it is moved above 20 days. So this shows that stock has now started moving in upward direction. First it will cross 20 days. So these are signs that stock has started moving in upward direction. So I think in near future this stock has potential to go up to at least 30% from here, and it will not stop here, it will definitely move further. Considering the trend, it has always have upward movement, so this stock will definitely go beyond this. So immediate target is of 30% and it can go beyond this. Now we can check financials of the company, where market cap of the company is 13,860, which is mid cap company. Current share price is 164 and book value is 86.3. If we saw sales growth, it is 22.8 in last 3 years. So this is extraordinary growth considering pandemic from last 1 to 1.5 years. ROC in case of NBFC, it is 15.3, which is excellent. ROE 26.25, it is also very good. Now one important point which I like about this company is stock P 7.73, a company which is performing good, and stock P is 7.73 and industry P is 22.3. So it is 1/3 of industry PE. So this is excellent sign that this stock is cheaper than the industry other stocks. If we saw the past, company has delivered good profit growth. Company has given a good return on equity, which we already saw. Quarterly results: September 18 quarter sales was 1014 and it is consistently improving, and if we saw, it came to 1622 in March 21. In June 21 it is little bit lower than March 21, but this is due to pandemic. If we saw a bottom line, that is net profit, it was 222 in September 18 and it is gradually increasing up to 468 in March 21. So this performance in terms of sales revenue as well as net profit is showing consistent growth. If we saw yearly statement, revenue in 2006 was 20 crore and from 20 crore it reached to 6,331 crores in March 21, which is excellent growth. If we saw the financing profit, it was 7 crore in 2006 and it reached up to 2,443 crores in March 21. This shows how fast this company is growing. If we saw the net profit, yearly net profit, it was 4 crores in 2006 and it reached up to 1,724 in March 21. So this shows this company has shown tremendous growth in the past, and there is no reason why these figures will not show improvement in future as Indian economy will raise. So from financial point of view, I think this company has a lot of potential growth in future. So from all this point of view, I think this is a good opportunity. So this is ticker tape site. So if we saw forecast, well, analyst has covered this stock, and out of 67% of analysts are suggested to invest in this stock. And if we saw suggestions, that is intrinsic value of this stock is current price is less than intrinsic value. They have a return versus FD. If we compare return versus FD, they have better returns in versus FDs. Dividend returns are also good. Entry point, it is good time to enter, and there are no red flags. If we saw the forecast for 1 year, they are showing maximum potential of 40.78, which is very good. So considering all these factors, I think Manappuram Finance is excellent opportunity. Request you to please press like button and share with the friends and subscribe the channel. We will again meet with some different exciting opportunity. Till then, thank you, goodbye and take care.